This video is going to show you how to clear the BBU RAM on the Maincon board. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to hold down the program button as we turn the machine on. You get this cursor here, and what we're going to do is we're going to type in the specific code. We're going to go with M6 and 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, space 6 and 6 Fs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, enter. So what we're doing now is clearing the RAM that's on the board. We will allow it to go through its process 3 times, and then we will hold down the reset button to get it to stop that process. This process takes a few minutes. As you can see right here, we have memory test pass. Press reset to stop. So we're going to allow this to cycle through 3 times before we stop it. There's a second time. Once it comes up on the third one, I'm going to hold the reset button down. I'm holding the reset button until we get the cursor, so that lets you know that that process has stopped. So at this point, we want to reboot the machine to re-initialize the machine as whatever the machine is, whether it's a DT1, a VF1, VF3, VF2, so on. So we're going to power the machine down. Power the machine on. As you see, we have the version of software that's on the board, and the model is blank. So we're going to initialize this machine as a DT1 because that's what it is. As you can hear the beeping, now it's ready. We want to do MDI, alarm. We want to type in the word debug. Debug right there. We want to hit enter. And then at this point, you put in whatever the machine is. This machine is a DT1, and enter. And it's going to reboot itself. As you see right here, it's a DT1. The software is 18.29B series software on this board. Okay, we want to hit F1. So now, at this point, you will have alarms up here, which you could toggle through them. At this point, you want to install your USB drive to upload your parameters, and all these alarms will go away at that point. Then you can run your machine. It'll be ready to run. If we go here to the serial number, my recommendation is not to put your serial number in. If you do install your serial number, it will force you to call Haas to get an activation code. But if we was to power the machine down with no serial number in it, power it back up, if you had already installed your parameters, you will not get any alarms and the machine will be ready to go without requiring a activation code from Haas. See, no activation code. Just my parameters are these alarms because I have not installed my parameters yet. So, yeah. Hope this helps.